Hello, my name is Andy. How are you? Let's talk about the Malaysian English dialect.
Manglish.
Malaysian English or Manglish is the informal, colloquial variety of English spoken in Malaysia that mixes English with Malay, Chinese languages such as Hokkien, Cantonese and Mandarin, and also Tamil. It commonly involves code switching within a single sentence, and it uses well-known discourse particles such as la, me, lo, and ma, which add nuance like emphasis, doubt, or friendliness. Manglish grammar often reflects the structure of Malay or Chinese rather than Standard English, and idioms from those languages are frequently translated directly into English. It is widely used in everyday conversation, on social media, and in informal media, although it is discouraged in schools and formal writing. Linguistic research also describes Manglish as a low-resource, Creole-like code mixed variety that language technology often struggles to process accurately. Malaysia is a multi-ethnic and multi-religious country made up mainly of Bumiputra groups, including Malays and numerous indigenous communities, Chinese Malaysians and Indian Malaysians, along with the smaller communities. Islam is the largest religion and is constitutionally designated as the religion of the Federation, while Buddhism, Christianity, Hinduism, and other faiths are also widely practiced. By constitutional definition, Malay ethnic identity is tied to Islam, the habitual use of the Malay language, and observance of Malay customs. Cultural life in Malaysia reflects this diversity. Major celebrations such as Hari Raya, Chinese New Year, and Deepavali are national holidays. And a common tradition is the open house, where people of different backgrounds visit one another during festive seasons, reinforcing a culture of hospitality and social mixing. In the next part, let's listen to the beautiful sounds of their dialect. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights.
All human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights. They are endowed with reason and conscience and should act towards one another in a spirit of brotherhood.
Numbers
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Greetings and phrases.
Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, bye-bye, ciao, thank you, welcome, excuse me, sorry. Action. Abadan, agak-agak, bro, bang, maca, blur, cincai, habis, jalat, kantoi, kena, outstation, pattern more than badminton, potong steam, sayang, syok, okay lah, terror, got or not, can or not, how come, is it, yeah meh, who say one, where got, you ask me, I ask who, you win already lor, alamak, walao, ayah, adoy, ayo, aye, iya, wah, huyo, fuyo, che, de, oi, ho, tatayo, can meh, can ma, can le, can la, can lo, cano, can we, candy.
Pronunciation.
All, apple, about, bath, better, body, book, brother, butter, car, cat, cheese, dark, day, daughter, dog, earth, example, face, family, father, fire, friend, fool, garage, good, house, idea, important, jewelry, juice, kitchen, knowledge, laugh, light, like, mate, milk, mother, moon, mountain, mouth, name, natural, new, night, ocean, oil, old, orange, organization, paper, place, radio, rare, school, sister, sun, star, station, sun, things, thunder, uniform, video, village, water, young, Z.
The wren.
The wren used to have his nest in a car park. Once the old ones had both flown out, they had wanted to get something to eat for their young, and had left the little ones all alone. After a while, Father Wren returns home. "Hey, what happened here?" he says. "You all kena by who? Why you all so scared one?" "Oh pa," they say. "Some big Pontianak came by just now leh. His face is bad until we cannot tahan. He stared into our nest with his big eyes. Wah, super scary way." "I see," Father Wren says. "Then where did he go?" "Well," they say, "I think he went down that way." "Wait Father Wren says. "I'll go after him. You don't need to worry one, children. I'll get him. Sure can one." Thereupon, he flies after him. After he comes around the bend, it is the lion who is walking along there. But the wren is not afraid. He alights on the lion's back and starts scolding him. "Hey, you come to my house for what?" he says. "Scare my children some more." The lion pays no attention to it and keeps walking. That makes the little loudmouth berate him even more fiercely. "You don't suka go there, I tell you. And if you come back," he says, "you kena cow from me." "I don't really want to do it he says, and finally lifts one of his legs. "But I break your back with my leg in a second." Thereupon, he flies back to his nest. "I settle him already, children," he says. "I've taught that one a lesson. Confirm he won't come back one."